What's good, YouTube? Back again with another video. Today's gonna be a very quick and short video. I thought I'd do a video about rev matching. I've seen a fair few videos up on YouTube, and some of them make it a little bit long-winded and a little bit make it sound like it's something really difficult to do, when really it's not. This is just an industrial area where it's generally quiet on a Sunday, so I should be able to give you a good little demonstration on how to do it. So we are in fourth right now. There's a nice third, second, and even first. So the whole point of rev matching is it just makes the downshift, first of all, sound sexy. It just makes it sound awesome, really, but more importantly, it just makes it all a lot smoother, and you prevent your back wheel from locking up. So it's a good skill to have. I mean, I think on track, I've never been on track, but I think on track a lot of the guys now, they tend to just they have slipper clutches anyway, the bikes, but also they try and just release the clutch really slowly. I think overall that saves a lot of time, because when I show you, you'll see what I mean. You basically, you're having to do a lot with your right hand, so the more things you can kind of get out of the equation when you're trying to get milliseconds on a lap and stuff, the better. So you probably find a lot of the racers, they actually just ease out the clutch slowly. Either way, anyway, it's a good thing to learn and to know how to do, just because it sounds awesome as well, and you may save your backside one day and prevent your back wheel from locking up. So, very simple, but also tricky at the same time. We are doing multiple things with our hands and our left foot and potentially right foot at the same time. But the key thing is, obviously, look, if I rev right now without pulling the clutch in, no clutch pulled in, the bike is going to rev. So if we were moving right now, obviously the bike would go faster. So clearly the throttle is not going to be the first thing that we do. The clutch is going to be the first thing that we pull in. So we pull the clutch in, then we blip the throttle, and then we let the clutch out. We're just blipping it. We're just trying to match the revs, so that when the gear drops down, the revs are high enough for the bike to be nice and smooth. Yeah. So when you blip the throttle, when we blip it, at the same time, what we're going to be doing is kicking the gear down. So clutch in first, blip and kick down at the same time, and let that out. You don't need to ease it out. You don't need to, like, you can more or less release it like this very quickly. So clutch is in, blip and kick down and out. Yeah, so that's all there is to it. Obviously practice, and you'll get better at it. Let me cruise around a little bit here, try and do it a few times so you can hopefully see. I hope my GoPro is picking it all up, really. I think my GoPro is generally pointed a little bit higher, but I'll try and look down when I do it. Let me just get a bit of a longer road so I can put some gears up. Okay. Okay, we're in third. Clutch in, kick down, there you go. Yeah. So when I rev is when I actually kick down on the gear, and then I just dump the clutch. So let's do it again. That's in third. That's in fourth. Okay, so we're in fourth. Clutch in, blip the throttle, and exactly at the same time when I blip the throttle, I'm gonna be kicking down on the gear, and then I let the clutch out. Okay, so we're in fourth. clutch in, blip. So I'm exaggerating the blip so you can hear it. Yeah, so I'm going to do it again. Every time when I'm blipping is when I'm kicking down with my foot to take it in the gear down. Okay, let's put it third, fourth. Wow, this is these roads are bad. Loads of potholes. Okay, third. Clutch in, blip, kick down. That's second gear there. Let's do it for first. Clutch in. There you go. There you have it, guys. Very straightforward. So maybe when you're starting off it's a little bit daunting and can be a little bit tricky, but like I say, the motion is clutch in, and when you're blipping you kick down and you let the clutch out. Yeah, blip. You're not going to hold your throttle down, you're just blipping the throttle just to get it, you know, put a couple of thousand more revs on it, and that's it. You're blipping and back, blipping and back. I think it sounds awesome when you do it, and like I say, there are benefits of doing it, but I think if you get like really good at riding and you want to go to the track and stuff, I've found that a lot of the guys now, they are basically they're not using that method. They are literally letting the clutch out nice and slowly. Anyway, hope that was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. Ride safe. Catch you on the next one.